welcome to Lesson 3 of Developing Your Musicianship 2. What you just heard me playing there was basically those progressions that I showed you last week. Those popular progressions, I used 3 of the 4 in that progression. The first one I did was 1, 4, 5, 1, 4, 5. That's all that was. F, B flat, and C. And of course I did different inversions, but it's the same chord, all triads. The next one I did was the 1 chord to 6 minor. I went 1, F, then D minor, which is a 6 minor. Back to F, D minor. And the third one I used was 4, 3, 2, 1. 4 major, B flat, 3 minor, A minor, 2 minor, G minor, and then a 1, F. 4, 3, 2, 1. 4, 3, 2. Those were those diatonic progressions that we worked on last week. And of course, we're in the key of F, which has 1 flat. So how did practicing go this week? I know you couldn't pull yourselves away from that piano, right? I know, because you love this. You love this. It's part of my brainwashing thing. I'm trying to convince you that you love this. Then again, I don't have to convince you, do I? So I mentioned the term diatonic when we talked about these popular progressions. What does diatonic mean? Exactly, in the key of, which means we're in the key of F, so every one of those chords that I played contained tones only from F major. Every one of those chords had notes from the F major scale. Diatonic. Remember we did the diatonic triads? F major was 1, G minor diatonic, A minor, which was also diatonic to F, B flat major, the 4 major, that's diatonic in the key of F, C, that's the 5 major chord, that's diatonic in the key of F, D minor, the 6, that's diatonic in the key of F, E diminished triad, that's on the 7th degree, E, diatonic in the key of F, it's F. We also did the same thing with the 7th chords, diatonic 7th chords. Starts with F major 7, G minor 7, A minor 7 for the 3 chord, B flat major 7 for the 4 chord, C7, that's the 5-7, D minor, that's the 6 minor 7, E minor 7 flat 5, another name for that is E half diminished, that's the 7th chord, and all these chords are diatonic. And another thing we did is we took those 7th chords and we put them in a different voicing. We did 7, 3, 5. So if I played these diatonic chords using that voicing for each chord, it would sound like this. F major, G minor, A minor, B flat major, C dominant 7, D minor 7, E minor 7 flat 5, F major. So see the difference between the root position and the 735 voicing? I kind of like that better. It's a little smoother, if you will.